Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Quiet Crochet Friday. I'm Sandra from SandraStitches, and bring your current project and something to drink. I have my water. And let's sit down for about 15-20 minutes of quiet crochet time where I just work on my current project. So today I need to prepare for a tutorial. Now, when I have to prepare for a tutorial, when I'm just filming a tutorial for one of my previous patterns, so, you know, it's a process. In the tutorial, I show you everything, the stitches, and I tell you about the yarn and the multiples and everything, but I have to prepare ahead of time the product. I don't make it the size, I just make a sample, a small sample. So I like to prepare the sample ahead of time. So in the tutorial, I show you the stitch pattern, and then it grows and grows, and then I have the full sample to show you how to finish the project. So what I'm doing today, this is what I'm doing. I have a pattern that is going to go live somewhere in September. I'm not telling you what it is because you will have to come back and see the tutorial. And I am working on the sample for the tutorial. So I have my yarn here. Now I need to have the written pattern in front of me because I don't always remember exactly, you know, the multiples and how many chains and everything. So I need to have the printed pattern with me. So this is what I'm doing today. Bring your current project, and so we will work together and see how far we come. We have only like 15-20 minutes, and this will be enough for me to finish this sample. Let me see, it's multiples of 4 plus 3. So I will 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do one more. 2, 3, 4, and then 3. 2, 3. Okay. So I have patterns, a lot of designs free on my blog that do not have video tutorials. So I decided this year that I'm going to go back and film video tutorials for most of my designs. And this is what I'm doing. So this pattern particular is still not free on my blog because this is one of the designs, the patterns that I did for our V-Stitch Club, which is our membership, our crochet membership. If you're new here and you've never heard about the V-Stitch Club, go in the description box below and there is a link with all the information about the club, what you get there, how much it costs and everything. But you know, it's a crochet membership. It's just $5 a month, but you get a lot there. Not only patterns, but you do get two new patterns every month and a lot of other things. You will have to go and read and click in the link in the description box below, and then you'll go to the landing page and you'll read everything about it. Anyway, so I have a lot of patterns from the membership that of course I don't release free anywhere, but I do release them a few years later. So I have this membership since September 2024, so I have patterns from back then that I'm releasing just now. So this is one of them, and I decided to, as I said, to film video tutorials for each and every pattern that I put free on my blog. So in one hand, I'm going back to all the patterns that are already free on my blog and filming video tutorials, and also I'm adding new patterns to my blog that are going to be free, but they will have also video tutorials. So this is what I'm doing. Let's see what it says here. Row 9, 1 single. Okay, so this is just the starting row. Anyway, I love making video tutorials. I found like I don't know how to call it, but like a routine, because I don't like to make tutorials that are super long, you know, with all showing exactly how to make the chain and exactly how to make the single crochet and the double crochet. I think that people who crochet already know the basic, and if they don't know the basic, that's fine. I show, but I show only once. Like, I don't go in depth for every single basic stitch. Of course, if I'm working a stitch that is not a basic, like it's a stitch combination or something unique, so of course I go over and over and to see that everybody understands and it's clear and everything. So I found this routine and I'm working with this routine and I think it's going fine. I hope you like my tutorials. If you're here in my channel, so you can go scroll around and watch some of my video tutorials. At the beginning, I was a bit scared because, you know, you can hear that English is not my first language. So I was a bit scared that people will not understand what I say. And, you know, educational videos, you have to be very, explain in a very good way so that people understand. If not, they don't get anything from your video, right? So, but I think it's okay, because I get a lot of response from people who watch my videos that they are fine. So I'm okay. I feel okay with it. And yeah, I think it's going to be okay. Anyway, this is what I'm doing today. I have to finish the sample. Once I have the sample, so I can go and start filming the tutorial. And then after I finish the tutorial itself, so I film the opening of the video where I show exactly what you'll get from this video, like what kind of project we're working on. And then I have to edit the video, because probably I go like in the middle of the video and I pause and I, you know, so I have to edit it. And then I have to take photos for the thumbnail, and then I have to think about the title and the description. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work to make videos. But I am enjoying it, and I'm making 2 videos a week. So we have 1 tutorial on Wednesday and 1 Quiet Crochet Friday on Fridays. Now this Quiet Crochet Friday, I love these videos because I just put the lights on, grab my current project, and I sit down in front of the camera and I just crochet for my pleasure, and you're with me. And I'm just chatting with you. So let's see row number 2. Chain 1 and turn. Okay. First stitch from the hook, skip 1, and this is the next 3. Okay, 1. This is a really simple stitch pattern, but it has a specialty stitch that I never used. So this is what we are doing now. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So yeah, this is nice. Tell me in the comments, what are you working on? what is your project, so that we can, maybe talk about it in the comments if you want to share a photo, and so you can see, we can all see what you're working on. If you have any questions about crochet, of course you can ask me in the comments. I am the only one in this business. I don't have a team or somebody working for me, or I am a very small business. So I read all the comments and I respond to all the comments. So if you want to ask me something or say something, show me your work or whatever, that's fine. I'm here for you. So let me see how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice. Anyway, I'm filming this in late July, and what time is it now? I think it's around 10:30 in the morning. I have already prepared lunch because today is a day that my husband works from home. So when he works from home, I have to prepare lunch for both of us. When he doesn't work from home and it's just me here, so I just grab something, right? Or maybe leftovers from the lunch that I did a few days earlier. But when he's here, so I cook lunch. Here in Israel, where I live, we eat, the big meal of the day is lunch. I know that in the US and maybe in other countries, usually you have dinner as the big meal of the day. But here in Israel, we have lunch as the big meal of the day. The big meal is not just a salad and a sandwich, a cooked meal. So in the evenings for dinner, because we have dinners usually later, I know in the US you are used to have dinners at 5 or 6 p.m. Here we usually have dinners around 7, 8 p.m. So it's a lighter meal. Usually maybe soup, or maybe a sandwich, or maybe eggs, something light. So that's it. I cooked lunch. I did sweet potato in the oven, and I have some frozen veggies like peas and edamame, and all kind of green veggies that I took them out of the fridge, so put them in the pan, so I will just fry them, like saute them. And fish, I'm making fish, and that's it. So yeah, it's kind of, I half prepare, half cooking in the morning, so when it's time for lunch, everything will be ready. And I will just do the finishing touches of the lunch. All right, let's see. Yeah. So we have the last stitch here. Let me grab this. Very easy, very cute. And the last one. All right, one row done. Okay, that's it. So it's a 2-row repeat. Super simple. I just wanted to see about the multiples and everything. And this is such a cute wearable. I'm not going to tell you because I really want you to come back and watch the tutorial. It's going to be scheduled I think it's going to be the second or the third video for September. Now, I am working on September now, even though it's the end of July, because I like to be prepared and have things ahead of time. Where I live, you never know what's going to happen next in the day. So we like to be prepared. Anyway, also, I am flying to New Zealand in September to visit my daughter and my grandchildren. If you're here, you know the story. If you're here for a while, you know the story. My daughter, she is a doctor, and she is in New Zealand, in Auckland now, doing her residency there. And she took my two babies, her two babies, my grandchildren, with her, of course, and her husband. So we are flying to visit them in September, so I want to be prepared with all my videos and all my content and everything ahead of time. So this is also why I'm preparing everything. So I need to film 4 videos, full videos, 4 full Quiet Crochet Fridays, and all my content for, you know, Facebook, and so on and so on. All right. Yes, this is nice. Nice. All right, so this Quiet Crochet Friday is supposed to be a quiet pocket of time that you can grab in the middle of the day just for yourself. Sit down, crochet for 20 minutes, clear your mind, let your mind fly, do 1, 2, 3, 4 rows on your project, and that's it, and go back to your normal day. If you have, you know, other responsibilities, I think it's nice to grab that time and have somebody to do it with you. This is why I created this space of the Quiet Crochet Fridays, so you can have me on the background, yamming, how do you say, how do you call this, chatting with you and enjoying life, right? We have to enjoy life. So I managed to start my sample, and I'm going to work like 2 or 3 rows, so I have the sample started for the tutorial, and then I will show in the tutorial exactly how to do everything, and I will have it already done to show. Making content, it's a lot of work, I must tell you, if you don't know already. It's a full-time job. I enjoy it very much, but you know, you have to know that it's a full-time job, really. Are you drinking enough water? It's so hot, right? I have my water bottle here because if I don't have it, then I forget to drink, and I have to drink a lot of water. It's so hot here. Okay, I think this will be enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this Quiet Crochet Friday. I cannot wait to hear what you have to say about it in the comments, so please leave a comment. It does help my channel, and you know, if it helps my channel, so I can bring you more content, free content for you. So don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next week. Have a great, great, great week. Bye.